Excuse me! Excuse me! Have you seen it? Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Wait for it to finish.
Can you see it?
Can I see what we're looking at?
The picture.
No, it's gone on to me.
Can you see it? See it?
Yes, see mate.
Have you seen it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Oh, gold.
So it's a Wickers they were on.
Hi.
I'm guessing it's Mary's landline.
Can you see something?
No, but I haven't got my glasses on.
Oh no.
Was I supposed to?
Yeah, you were supposed. You.
Oh, right. Sorry, no. I wear glasses so I can't see properly.
Oh, alright.
Go on.